Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Damandeep Kaur from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. In today's module, I'll be discussing about creative behavior. So, as we know, traditional petrol and diesel vehicles contribute a lot to the pollution, and even its operating cost is very high. So, Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain, the two youngsters, the two young minds from IIT Madras, thought in a very innovative manner, and they came up with an idea to launch the EV scooter, electric scooter. So, these scooters are getting very popular in India, and they are very cost effective, and they have many environmental benefits also. They founded Ether Energy in the year 2013. So thus we can say that Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain have demonstrated the creative behavior. So let's know what is creative behavior. We can say that creative behavior is a creative act. So it is not just confined to the domain of cognition, it is related to the creative activity. It is action oriented. In entrepreneurship, creative behavior involves the capacity to innovate, solve problems, and develop unique ideas. Now let's know about the elements of creative behavior. So the elements are opportunity identification, innovative problem solving, and idea generation. So under opportunity identification, entrepreneurs try to identify the gap in the market, and they try to transform that into profitable business opportunity. Problem solving, not just problem solving, but problem solving in a unique and innovative manner. Generation of idea. See, entrepreneurs think in a very unconventional manner. They think out of the box. They have divergent thinking. So with that, they try to come up with some fresh ideas for the new products, services, or business models. Let's move on and know more about the process of creative behavior. So there are some stages. The first stage is the preparation. Second one is incubation. The third one is illumination, and the fourth is verification, and the fifth stage is implementation. Now I'll try to explain this with the help of an example. Let's take the example of astrotourism business in India. So it's a growing niche which combines the innovation, creativity, and sustainability. So what comes under preparation? It involves gathering information, understanding the problem, and identifying opportunities. So as you are thinking of astrotourism business in India, so what you can do, you try to identify the places where you have less of light pollution, and where we have dark sky parks, which are reserve areas, and like places like Ladakh, some places in Uttarakhand, Spiti, or Rann of Kutch. Next, even you see what are the trends in the astro tourism at global level. Observe those trends and gather information from the local community there. You can even conduct the survey on the tourists, those who are interested in the extra experiences, and you can even try to connect with some astronomers. Next comes, after preparation, the next stage is incubation. Here, ideas are getting processed subconsciously. See, you have already gathered the information. So the information is now in your subconscious mind. You are simply focusing and reflecting on that information which you have gathered. So it allowed the mind to form connections and patterns naturally. Next comes, after incubation, the stage of illumination. It is also known as aha movement, or we can say eureka. Finally, something strike in your mind. You ignite it. So when a novel solution or idea becomes clear in your mind, you're illuminated. So here, as you were already looking for the places for your astrotourism, now maybe you can choose the area like Henley in Ladakh for this extra experiences. See, very important after illumination, you need to verify your idea. How to verify your idea? Under this, idea is tested, and if there is a need, you have to refine your existing idea, and yes, even you have to evaluate the feasibility of the idea, whether it is practical or not. So what you can do, as you have thought of Henley in Ladakh for extra experiences, so you can do a pilot study in this area. Okay, so you can organize some, stargazing nights over there, meteor shower camps over there, dark night safaris can be, organized. So people can enjoy those with the, their apparatus like telescope. So, and later on, you can gather the feedback from the astrotourist. The next comes after verification, the last stage is implementation. So it's finally your time. So its idea is becoming the reality now. So you have to turn the refined idea into action by launching it into the market. So now you can launch this idea on any social media platform. You can have your own website for this. And apart from that, you can collaborate with, some local people over there, like some state government projects you can collaborate with. And even you can have partnerships with luxury resorts who want to provide the extra experiences to their tourists and customers. So I hope you have understood the concept of creative behavior, how creative behavior is important for an entrepreneur. So it's not just simply thinking. They have to think in a creative manner, and they have to exhibit that. They have to take an action. So stay creative and stay happy. Thank you.